beautiful. Greenery everywhere. Come on. It's so peaceful. Come on, this way. We have to go. It's beautiful. Big tall trees everywhere. You can smell the trees. You can hear the birds' voices. It's just amazing.
Hi guys, now we have finally some food and we are sitting with the tulip.
We will run there later on. Look at the greenery.
So now I'm eating.
It's completely family park. You can bring your food because there is no shops around here. So you have to bring your food, whatever you want. And it's a good family park. I mean, it's good for kids. It's quite nice, no hot. This is the park places. Okay? So that's Şelale, the waterfall, pond, Galat, Meydan Istanbul, Istanbul Square, Beyaz Köşk, White Mansion. That's exit. This way, Elvira. We have to go this way. Here we go. Come on.
Guys, we have another park over here.
It's beautiful. Here we go. Tulips are no more now, but you can see. You can see the reindeer. No, don't sit on them. This is the glass tulips.
Yes.
It's the decoration. It's beautiful.
Hayır. Telefonuma. Gökler yok nerede?
Okay, we're going that way. Those are tulips. Not roses, these are tulips.
These are tulips. Hello, Mr. Tulips, Mrs. and Mr. Tulips. Let's go.
Look at them. But it's still got some. Beautiful. Because they're in the shade, that's why they're still alive.
Guys, look, there's the one. All the one over there. Let's go.
These are white. It's beautiful.
No.
No more flowers because it's sunny.
Burası 2 numara gösteren beyaz kuş ise sahile kadar iniyor. Orası beyaz kuş ise
Can't see clearly.
sahile bakın baksana.
This is a whole entire park. Oh look, you have to go into the park.
Glass is not clear, that's what it's known. This is the park map. Beautiful. This is, oh, there's water on the floor. Istanbul pond. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's not working, isn't it?
Oh, the water.
It's watery. You can see the view. There is a beach there. Wow.
There's some more.
They're down there. Wow. It's beautiful. Come on. Come on. Let's go. It's beautiful leaves on the wall. We are going down to the Alvira this way. Come on. We are going down slowly. It's not scary. Wait. You can see the view down there.
Let's go.
Come on. Lishba, hold your sister's hand, please.
My baby.
Come on, come on. Slowly. Slowly. Come on, come on. We're going. There's another bride there. I can see from here. There.
Oh my god.
Can you see her?
Second bride.
Second bride. Here we go. They're doing photo shoot here. Come in. It's beautiful weather. Very nice and very beautiful park to spend a lovely day with your family, friends, kids, food, lots of fun. Brides and grooms come here. They have little. Look at this. Wow. And Lisa. Be brave, Elvira. I'm coming with you. Be brave, Elvira. Be brave, Elvira. Look at this. Beautiful waterfall. Nice and clean water. And the way it's built. Elvira is a bit scared. Are you? Are you? A bit? Beautiful voice. Beautiful. It just gives you a peace. The sound. You can see the bridge. Let me go down a little bit. You have to wear good walking shoes because there's lots of stairs and ups and down. So I thought he's talking to me. Hello, hello. Wow. Let me make this way. It's beautiful. And it's going. Wow.
This is swimming turtles.
Okay.
That's why I told you.
Look at. You can hear the voices. Beautiful. Lots of turtles in the pond. Let's go down then. This way, Alishba. Let's go this way. Look at the turtles. I'll zoom in. Here we go, lots of turtles there. And there's a waterfall as well.
Look, there's some planets.
Yes.
I think planet Earth.
Okay, let's go down there.
Over there.
Okay, let's go down there. Go in there. Come on, Dilly. Here we go. This is restaurant side. The lovely, beautiful flowers here. Service. You can sit down here and see the beautiful view. It's just beautiful. Where's the girls? People are eating here. Come on. It's beautiful place for food. Seagulls! They're waiting for food because up there is a restaurant and they are sitting there waiting for food. You can see the view.
Mommy, can you get flowers?
No. Come on, Alishma. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at the flowers. Look at this waterfall. Just hear the boys. Look at the ducks. They are resting. Beautifully laying down. Oh, it just looks beautiful. Here we go. Elvira is here. Again, I'm telling you everyone, you need to wear proper walking shoes because the slopes. Elvira is a bit struggling with the shoes.
I'm not.
You're not. It's okay. It's okay. Next time we'll change. Okay. What is that? Let's see. Be careful, Elvira. It's quite a big park. You don't know where to go and where to start and where to stop. It's just beautiful.
Should I run up?
No, you're not allowed to. And we are going to the another side of the park. There's people everywhere because it's Saturday. It's everywhere. So we are going up here. Let's see. There's not fishes. Elvira, stay back, please. Stay back. Oh, stairs and slopes, ups and down. You need to wear proper shoes. I'm out of my breath. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have a good view here. So, can you see the ship? It's just beautiful view. Okay, this is the glass roof. I'm actually a bit scared, but it looks nice.
I am the bravest one here.
It's all glass roof, and you can see the beach. It's just, you can't go wrong with choosing this place for day out with the kids and family friends. Can you hear the siren of ship? There's a big ship crossing there. There we go. If you can see, zoom it a little bit. It's just green, green everywhere. Here's a turtle. Here's a ducky. Hello, ducky. And here's a turtle.
Bye bye.
Swimming. There's a 3 turtle more. Hello.
He's breathing.
He's beautiful nursery here. Yellow roses, pink roses. You can buy plants from here. Come on, Elvira. Here we go. We're going another side of the park.
Guys, I was asleep.
Yeah, so Elvira had a nap, so she's fresh. And Lishma find a place to sit down. She's sitting there. She found a place to sit down. And she is sitting there.
She's sitting on the boat.
This is stone path. You can see. This goes around there. And there is the Istanbul sign. If you can see, there is a bride. They're having a photo shoot. This is photo shoot area. So they make the boots like this. People can make pictures. and brides have a photo shoot as well. You see this photo booth. I'll go closer. There we go. You can see that. And there's a pool as well. This is a photo shoot booth. It's beautiful. There's a pond. We can feed the fishes and turtles. And there's another bride having her photo shoots. Let me go around if I can catch her. Come on, let's go. Let's go. There you go.
Şöyle hava kere biraz bir hoş olduğuna gelir.
She looks beautiful.
Lina oradan bana bak bakayım. Lina.
There's a big park here. Let me cross this area. You can see the slides.
Çarşının yüzde var sende. Valla çarşının yüzde var sende. Ölçüm var ve ölçüm var. Evet ya.
Alişba. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Alvira. Where's the Abi? Where's the Lishba? Here we go. Jump. Alvira, jump. Too many things for kids. Come on. Here we go. Slowly, slowly. Well done. Alvira, watch out. There's a baby. Wait.